How did I get here? I turned around and there you were. I didn't think twice or rationalize, 'cause somehow I knew that there was more than just chemistry. I mean, I knew you were kind of into me, but I figured it's too good to be true. I said, pinch me, where's the catch this time? Can't find a single cloud in the sky. Help me before I get used to this guy. They say that good things take time, but really great things happen in a blink of an eye. Thought the chances to meet somebody like you were a million to one. I can't believe it. Oh, you're one in a million. All this time I wasn't looking for love, trying to make things work. They weren't good enough till I thought I'm through. Said I'm done and stumbled into the arms of the one. You're making me laugh about the silliest stuff. Say that